Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear. The first method is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And at the back side of the charging case we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. And on the front side we have the LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. Now, the second option is to use your phone to charge your earbuds, and all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. It would look like this, but if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to your charging case. At the back side we have this port again, so we have this LED light, so meaning that your earbuds also charging. Now the third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable. It looks like this, and you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC. So connect USB-C cable to your charging case, and I'm going to connect this USB-A cable to my PC, but you can also connect it with another device what have USB-A port. And I just did it. Now we need to again check the LED light, and we have it, so it also works. And that's it. This earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so we cannot use wireless charging station or reverse wireless charging. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!